I'm just going to call it. If you've got parental responsibility for your children, you don't need your ex's permission to be involved in your child's school or doctor or any other aspects of their life. This normally applies to dads for the simple reason is that mums get parental responsibility by default. Dads don't. It's the only part of the Children Act that isn't gender neutral. Now we can argue about the implementation of the law being gender neutral, but the actual piece of legislation, the 1989 Children Act, that's the only difference. Dads, you don't need your ex's permission to be involved in their education or doctors. You can contact the school and say, I am, whatever their name is, Dad, and I intend to be a fully involved parent, and that means going to parents' evenings, that means collecting their children at school, that means being a governor, that means anything that any other parent is involved in. Now, does this mean that schools play ball with you? Not always. I've seen it all the time. I've seen schools on a number of occasions do stuff, and this is mainly for the dads again, who will say, well, you can't do that unless you get mum's permission or mum's written permission. That's not true. When that does happen, that's based on the fact that the person you're speaking to doesn't know the law. They've got some kind of weird, outdated and quite possibly sexist attitude to parenting. So that's it. Parental responsibility is a thing. It means a parent can be involved in all aspects of their child's life. If you want a definitive list, there's a really famous case that sets it out. It's called A versus A. I hope this helps.